What's up, everybody? I have the new 2021 KLX300 behind me. Already did a bunch of mods to it, which I'll have another video where I go over that. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put the SW Motech bash guard on here. Now, I usually get ricochet. This aluminum is only about 1/8 an inch thick. Ricochet is definitely thicker. They're a good 3/16 or maybe even, they're not quite a quarter, but they're definitely about 3/16 of an inch. They're definitely thicker than this. You can see here's the, I don't particularly care for the holes. I would probably have this filled in. The reason I got the SW Motech is when I bought this bike, everything else was out of stock everywhere. So this was the one that was in stock, so it's what I got. So we're going to put it on and see how it works. You can see even on the sides got this large cutout. I kind of would prefer if that was, solid. But we'll start getting it on here, and I'll show you what comes in the kit. Is what's nice is you always got to put rubber. When you buy other skid plates, you got to put foam or rubber along your frame so it doesn't vibrate. SW Motech, they give you these little rubber discs here, and you pop them in at all the frame contact points so you don't have to worry about vibration. Now what I got to do is this has a small, very small skid plate directly under the bottom of the engine. There are 4 8mm head bolts. I'm going to pop them out, get that off, and then I'll show you what comes in the kit here, and we'll go ahead and get this on. That's what you have to take off. Same as the KLX300s, and there's your little bolts. Now in this kit, you get 2 of these countersunk bolts with a little collar. 2 of those. That's how long they are. And you get 2 shorter ones. These go in the back of the skid plate. These go in the front mounting area. And you get 2 spacers. And the spacers, let me try to show you here. They will go on the front section of the skid plate, and of course your longer bolt will go up through that into the existing holes. But these all mount into the existing holes on the bike. Let me get a little piece of tape somewhere. and just put a piece of tape on the other bolt so that it will stay up in there, because you need to have those two. You got to have them two bushings in there at the same time. Yeah, I got those started. If I get the back ones. I'm going to put the stock, these are the ones that come with it in the rear. Now I was just putting that in and it seemed like it was almost starting to strip the threads a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the original bolt. This doesn't matter having this stick out, because this is actually, instead of being directly below the bike on the bottom, it's up on the bike on an angle, so you know, you're never going to hit it. That was just going in really tight, and I don't want to break the, I don't want to break that bolt off in the frame. So I feel much more comfortable putting these in. See how these front ones tighten up. Seem like they're okay. I don't know why those ones on the back seem so stiff in the threads. Okay. There you go. And you can see there's that rubber grommet against the frame, and they have it at all the contact points, which is actually really nice. It's kind of just like the factory one here. And there are the two bolts that I used, the factory ones, instead of those ones that weren't threading incorrectly. And you can see you have the hole to drain your oil down there. Give you a look there at that. Take you over here. There you go, there's the left side of the bike. See, I'm not real keen on this, all these holes and everything for the mud to get through, but it is what it is. We'll see how it holds up, being it's not as thick as the Ricochet, but it shouldn't be too bad. Remember to like and hit that subscribe button. Get on your Cowie and get outside.